Hello everybody, welcome back to another session of Mathematics Made Easy. Today the question is find the sum of n terms of the series root 2 plus root 8 plus root 18 plus root 32 plus so on. Now the given series is root 2 plus root 8 plus root 18 plus root 32 plus so on. First we have to check whether it is in AP or in GP or in HP. So that root 2 is root 2 and root 8 can be written as root 8 is equal to root of 4 into 2, which is nothing but root 4 into root 2 is equal to 2 root 2. Second term is 2 root 2 plus third term is root 18 can be written as root of 9 into 2, which is equal to root 9 into root 2, that it is nothing but 3 root 2. So that third term is 3 root 2 plus root 32 can be written as root of 16 into 2. Root 16 is 4 into root 2, that it is 4 root 2 plus so on. Let us find the difference of second and first terms. T2 minus T1. 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 root 2 T2 minus T1 is equal to 2 root 2 minus root 2. If we take root 2 common, it becomes 2 minus 1, which is equal to root 2. Similarly, T3 minus T2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. If we take root 2 common, it becomes 3 minus 2, which is equal to root 2. So, common difference is the same. T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3. Therefore, the given progression is in arithmetic progression, or the terms are in arithmetic progression. Whenever the terms are in arithmetic progression, we have a formula for finding a sum of n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of n terms of the arithmetic progression. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is equal to first term of the given arithmetic progression is root 2, comma, common difference is T2 minus T1, 2 root 2 minus root 2, which is equal to root 2. Then apply this formula for finding Sn. Sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2 into a. A is the first term root 2 plus n minus 1 into d value is root 2. Then it becomes n by 2 into 2 root 2 plus n into root 2, n root 2, and this is minus 1 into root 2 is minus root 2. It becomes n by 2 into 2 root 2 minus root 2, which is equal to root 2 plus n root 2. Then it becomes let us take root 2 common from the numerator, n by 2 into, if we take root 2 common from numerator, we get 1 here and n here, 1 plus n. Then n by 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is root 2 whole square, which is equal to 2 into root 2 of 1 plus n. Then we can cancel root 2 in numerator and denominator. Then finally it is n into n plus 1 by root 2. So sum of n terms of the given arithmetic progression is equal to n into n plus 1 by root 2.